This week we're going to learn how to send mail from PHP. And there's a built-in mail function in PHP, but there's also an extension which is more convenient. And this also gives us an example to look at Pear, the PHP extension and application repository. And it's really easy to download extensions with Pear. So I'm going to go ahead and from Windows, I'm just going to launch a command shell. And I'm going to right click on this and run as administrator. So you have to run this as administrator. If you're on OS X, Macintosh, then just go ahead and under Applications Utilities, you'll find the terminal window. And when terminal opens, type sudo-s and hit return. It will ask you for your password. Go ahead and type in your administrator password and you'll be logged in as root in a command shell. So the first thing we want to do is go to where Pear lives. And on Windows, by default, it's in C:\\XAMPP, actually lowercase, XAMPP PHP. And if you do a directory here, you'll see there's lots of stuff. So we want this PEAR, pear.bat. On Macintosh, I'll post the correct path for you. So there are a couple of commands that are handy in Pear. And the first one I'll show you is pear help. And when you do that, you get a list of all the commands that you can use with Pear. We're only going to use a couple of them today. One thing that's kind of cool is you can say pear list all. And this takes a little while because it's got to fetch some information from the internet. And what it just did was it gave me a list of all of the extensions and applications that are available through Pear, along with a brief description of each one. So you might want to scan through there and look for anything interesting. So now what we're going to do is install a Pear extension called Mail. And Mail has some dependencies. So we're going to use this command, pear install, and then we want all dependencies. So that's -- all deps, and then the name of the extension we want, which is Mail. And this will go out on the web and it will fetch all of the dependencies and install them, and we'll fetch the main Mail extension and install that as well. And if you see install OK, that means everything is working correctly. So at this point, we should actually have the Mail extension installed.